Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English we will study a poem named Come Out With Me. But before knowing about the poem, we should know the word meanings of hard words. So let's start the reading the word meanings of hard word. The first word is river. 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 River means nadi. Once again, river. River means nadi. The next word is hill. Hill. Hill means pahadi. Once again, hill. Hill means pahadi. The next word is quiet. Quite. Quiet. Quiet means kafi. Once again, quiet. Quiet means kafi. The next word is still. 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 Still means fir bhi. Once again, still. Still means fir bhi. Now the next word is sailor. 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 Sailor means navik. Once again, sailor. Sailor means navik. Now the next word is everyone. Every. Everyone. Everyone means har koi. Now the next word is little. 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 Little means chota. Once again, little. Little means chota. Now the next word is darling. 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 Darling means prayer. Now the next word is dark. 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 Dark means andhera. Once again, dark. Dark means andhera. The next word is dead. 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 Dead means mrit. Once again, dead. Dead means mrit. Next word is mill. Mill. Mill means chakki. Once again, mill. Mill means chakki. Now the next word is drowned. Drowned. Drowned means डूबा हुआ. Now the next word is never. 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 Never means कभी नहीं. Now the next word is notice. 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 Notice means ध्यान. Once again, notice. Notice means ध्यान. Okay, now I am going to read the poem. Then we will understand the summary of the poem. Here's the sun on the river and the sun on the hill. You can hear the sea if you stand quite still. There's 8 new puppies at roundabout farm, and I saw an old sailor with only one arm. But everyone say, run along, run along, run along. All of them say, run along, I am busy as can be. Everyone say, run along, there's a little darling. If I am a little darling, why don't they run with me? Here is the wind on the river and the wind on the hill. There is a dark dead water wheel under the mill. I saw a fly which had just been drowned, and I know where a rabbit goes into the ground. But everyone says, run along, run along, run along. All of them say, yes, dear, and never notice me. Everyone says, run along. There's a little darling. If I am a little darling, why don't they come and see? This poem is written by A. Milne. This is a poem of loneliness of a boy. In day-to-day life, the people became so busy in their life that they forget the real beauty of the nature. So, in the first stanza, the boy want to say that every day sun shine and the river and the hill, and when sun shine, the beauty of the river and the hill become amazing. And when we sit near the river and hear the sound of sea, it is heart touching because it is so natural and pure. But for that we have to take time and stand for the while. When we take the time from our busy schedule, we find many things around us, such as the little boy found 8 new puppies and the old sailors, etc. In the second stanza, the child or the boy is become very happy when he is called a little darling. Means he was loved by all of them. But if the child is so cute, then why they don't have the time to play with them? Everyone avoid the boy in their work and they don't have the time to play with the boy, and the boy feel lonely. In the next stanza, the boy want to say that he knows many things happening around, such as the wind flew on the river and on the hill, and there is a large wheel which is of no use, a fly which is drowned, and he knows from where a rabbit goes into the ground. but still no one noticed him. Only they say, little darling, dear to me. And no one spent time with me and enjoy the beauty of the nature and play with me. So that the boy is feeling very lonely. Now here is an exercise in which we have to write true or false for this sentence. So the first one is, the sun shines on the river and on the hill. It is true or false? Yes, it is true, because sun shines on the river and on the hill, and I have already written the true, T for the true and F for the false. Now the next question is, there are 5 new puppies on the farm. It is false, because there were 8 new puppies. Now the next question is, the child met a pilot. It is true or wrong? It is wrong, because the child met with a old sailor. So it is false. Now the next question is, no one play with the child because they are busy. It is true or false? Yes, it is true, because nobody play with the child because they are busy. Now the next is, there is a water wheel under the mill. It is true or false? Yes, it is true, because there is a water wheel under the mill. Now the next is, the child is happy because she is called a little darling. Yes, the child is happy by calling the little darling. So it is true. Okay students, thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to write all the word meanings, poem and its summary with its exercise in your copy.